So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to automate tasks in Shopify. First, open Claude AI and download the Claude desktop app. To run automations without writing code, you need an integration platform like Neat or Make and connect your Shopify store webhooks to your workflow automation tool and link it directly to Anthropic's API. Once connected, you can set up hands-free triggers in your automation app. Route your live data into Claude with a specific prompt like, whenever a new customer leaves a 1-star review rating on our Shopify store, analyze their complaint, automatically tag their order as high priority support, and draft a personalized, empathetic apology email with a 15% discount. Pro tip, you can completely automate your low stock product management. Set a trigger whenever an inventory item drops below 5 units. Have your system send the product details to Claude and prompt it to draft a restock purchase order directly to the product's supplier. Attach the internal manufacturing SKU and ping the store manager on Slack with the reorder summary. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to automate tasks in Shopify. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.